And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the integrated terminal building of Veer, Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair through video conferencing. Addressing the event, the Prime Minister said that the new terminal building, built at the cost of around 710 crore rupees, will improve the ease of business and enhance the connectivity in the region. He said the long-standing demand of the people of Port Blair has now been fulfilled. Modi said with this integrated terminal, the airport will be able to handle 11,000 tourists every day. He said the number of tourists in these islands have doubled due to development activities undertaken by the government there.
बीते 9 वर्षों में हमने पूरी संवेदनशीलता के साथ पहले की सरकारों की उन गलतियों को सुधारा है। इतना ही नहीं, नई व्यवस्थाएं भी बनाई हैं।
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the completion of